What's up guys, and welcome to the 10th tutorial of bash scripting, and in this tutorial it's all about string comparisons. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, cd desktop bash okay, now we need to do a touch. String.sh, and I'm using Nano, our favorite text editor. Okay, hashtag exclamation mark shebang, and then your interpreter bin bash. Declare a string s1 equals declare another string s2 now the if statement. So if $s1 equals s2, then both strings are equal. Echo that out. Else both strings are not equal. To end this video, use Fi. Okay, to save this video you need Control X, Y, enter. We can do a cat on screen to show you what we're compiling. To run this again, but before we run that, just go through the program. So S1, S2. S1 is a string. We are declaring a string, declaring another string. Then we use an if statement to say if S1 equals S2, then we can say both strings are equal. Else we can say both strings are not equal, and then we exit the program. So to compile this, you need chmod +x, and then the program's name, and then /. So both strings are not equal. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.